Okay, so this is gonna be the quick version of the video I just made, but basically I've been working on commands and parsing those commands and then executing them. I've built the parser, the basic version of the parser, and now we have one fully functional command, which is a very basic one, but it works. So we're gonna log into Ostrich with my very safe password. You can see we're working within Ostrich now. So the command that I have here is new collection. We can name it whatever we want, except for if it has invalid characters. Hello Twitter. Alright, so we're going to hit enter, and that gets created, and you can see our collection over here gets created, hello Twitter.ost, with our very broken metadata that I need to fix. But soon this will be a file that contains several clusters of data all over the place. So we're getting there.